Good morning, everyone.
Hello.
This is what Crystal looks like in the morning. Boom. A hot mess. Putting your makeup on, baby?
Yeah.
What you gonna put on first?
I already put stuff on my face. I just gotta get my eyes done.
Do your eyes. Let me see what you got.
I'm really bad at makeup.
Focus. Focus. Focus.
Okay.
Alright, y'all. So today we have a lot going on. We have Judy, one of the DSK moderators, an awesome individual, coming over to have barbecue with us. We don't know where there's a good barbecue spot, so it's going to be hit and miss. We're going to find one, though, and then we're going to train legs. And then we've got a lot going on. We got a package coming in from Unifiller, which is one of the big equipment upgrades for Keto Brick. We also have to swing by my uncle's warehouse and pick up 2 pallets, so that will be good. Alright, so this is one of Crystal's clients. She's also the moderator on Deeper State Keto. Judy Love, how are you? Tell the audience who you are.
I'm losing my hat here. I'm so happy to be here. I'm so happy to meet Robert and Crystal, and so happy that I got to know all the people from Deeper State. And it was all through Matt and Megan that I got to know about them and Keto Connect. But the Deeper State Keto group, oh, you are my family. You totally are. And if there's anything I can ever do for you, go right up there and I'll be writing right back. And I'll try to help you any way I can. And just love all of you. Love Crystal and Robert so, so much.
Hey, we love you. Give me another.
Yay!
Thank you.
And I'm proud of what they did here. You should see what they did with their complex. It's cleaned up and they're getting everything all ready and they got good plans and oh, I can't wait to be back.
Hey, we're getting there. We're getting there for sure.
So,
All right.
We're gonna go get some barbecue right now.
yeah.
Alright guys, so we just got done having barbecue with Judy and Ken, and we are on our way back to the house, but we just got a call from FedEx saying that our package was in for today, and we're really excited about this package. So we're actually going to meet the guy right around the corner, right next to the McDonald's, because he's an 18-wheeler and it's a little bit hard for him to get in where we're at. So we're going to go meet him there, get our package, and I'm sure we'll show you guys here soon.
Alright, y'all, just picked up that depositor from FedEx truck here in the McDonald's parking lot. Not suspicious looking at all. Alright, y'all, this box contains a piece of equipment that is going to help us speed up Keto Brick production tenfold, I hope. So, what I'm going to open up right now is going to be a game-changing investment. This thing, believe it or not, costs more than my truck did. So, kind of crazy. That doesn't mean this
more
is
than my
expensive.
car too.
Really?
Yeah.
Put all the money back into the brick business, y'all. So, let's see what we got. It's gonna take us a while to put this thing together, but that's kind of what it looks like, roughly. But I'll walk you through the whole thing once we get it set up. So I come into Mark's warehouse to get me some of my shipment that had come in. Mark's over there working hard. And
Hardly working.
And what do I find on his desk? Look at this. Look at this. What we got going on here, Mark?
First of all, this isn't a political statement, and I'm not trying to make a statement here, okay? Although I think it's okay to do, okay? But anyway, yeah, we probably just lost all the Republicans.
Let me make a quick note and say I am not taking a political stance whatsoever on this vlog. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. I just thought that was a really cool, big mask. That's all. To work for Mark. Now Mark's working for me.
Sure, you can do keto. Me, I do water. Without it, you die.
Alright, we just picked up a bunch of boxes from my uncle's warehouse. Now we are at Home Depot to pick up an air compressor to run that new piece of equipment. Home Depot did not have what we want, so we're headed to Lowe's to get an air compressor. Plus, Crystal has a coupon for Lowe's at 10% off.
Don't have a coupon anymore.
What?
It's for all shades and blinds.
We ain't buying shades and blinds. What you laughing at, baby?
Robert's trying to rap.
Nuh-uh.
Yep.
Alright, here we are at Lowe's. Boom. Air compressor. Crystal picked it out. You happy with it?
So happy. Our headphones aren't pausing. What?
We about to kill it?
Totally.
What are we training?
Legs.
Legs. Late workout, y'all. It's like, what time is it? Like 9 o'clock? 9 o'clock? Late workout, but we're gonna kill it. We're gonna show these legs who's boss. Alright, so I went up to 395 for 5 solid reps. Then I dropped back down to 345 for 8 solid reps. Next week, I'll do 9 solid reps on the drop set, and then 10, and then move up to 4 or 5. Getting easier. Yeah, buddy. Good workout, y'all. We did legs. As you can see, out of breath. I've been getting stronger. Ain't no doubt in my mind on every single muscle group, every single primary lift. I'm pushing more weight, and the weight's getting easier each time. So even though I don't like eating 6,000 calories, I'm definitely putting on a muscle as a result of 6,000 calories. All right, I'm going home now. Y'all think Crystal comes to the gym to work out? No. She just comes to the massage chair.
It's amazing.
That's all you do.
So good.
Alright, y'all, so back from the gym. We don't have everything set up in here yet, but I wanted to go ahead and show you the air compressor setup that we have. So, that's what we have here. In order to prolong the life of our equipment, I put this filter on there, which basically dries out the air, so there's no moisture going through the air lines. This runs underneath the table, and it will, once it's all set up, hook up to this beast right here. And this is gonna be our depositor. You excited?
I'm so excited. You guys have no idea.
It's gonna make a huge difference.
My first day of using it will be Friday.
Yeah. So
everything will be set up for them.
Friday, I'll hopefully have all this stuff put together. And we're gonna have a couple new people in here to kind of see the workflow. So we're gonna run a test batch before everybody gets here, and then we're gonna see how efficient we can make this operation. We've got the freezer working now. We've got this ELF depositor. We have the air compressor. We have everything just rocking and rolling. So hopefully everything runs perfectly, and we can like really double our output, triple our output, quadruple our output of bricks. Yeah?
Absolutely.
Yeah, buddy. So good, y'all. Doing my super shake again. 2,000 calories of just gloriness. Your spatula though. Alright, Crystal's trying it for the first time. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, you like it?
I'm afraid of what's in it. What's in it?
I put a new ingredient in it. I put some of the perfect keto nut butter in there. Focus.
It is super good. I just want to bite of like the creamy part. Or the...
So tasty. You like it?
Tastes like ice cream. That's really good.
Alright y'all, so final clip of the vlog right here. I want to talk about a couple things. One, my buddy Chris Jones, who was in a previous video where we were like brainstorming on how to improve his life and whatnot. I told him that I'm running the marathon. He just randomly decided to run it with me. So now we got a couple people that are just running it without any training. Mike lives in Jonesboro, and he's gonna run it with me also. So we got 3 people. Mike's keto, Chris is not, and we're just gonna run the marathon.
We'll see who wins. Carbs or no carbs.
Carbs or no carbs, Crystal says. I'm rooting for no carbs. In other news, today was a good day. Judy came over, and Ken, and they're just awesome people. Judy is a rock star. She was on Keto Connect's podcast. Highly encourage you to listen to that episode. She's just like a sweetheart. She's making us a quilt. I mean, what words?
She brought us so many sweet little gifts, and they were determined to buy us barbecue today, which I'm really glad that we were able to do that rather than them. But she's like
just a sweetheart.
She's so giving. She's seriously the sweetest person I ever met.
She gave us a hand towel with an embroidered picture of Jack on there that she embroidered. Like, super, super sweet.
Yeah.
But anyways.
Gosh, yeah.
Yeah, she's awesome. So listen to her podcast with Keto Connect. And what else we got going on, babe? We got the equipment in. We got the equipment in today. So excited to get that all put together. We'll show you how that all works when it's up and running. Tomorrow I'm waking up bright and early and driving to Ken Berry's to get all my blood labs drawn. So excited about that. So lots in the pipeline. We'll keep you posted. We'll have you along every step of the way. Right now I'm going to drink this 2,000 calorie shake of goodness. And we will catch y'all tomorrow.